spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. See the video description for links to all the products mentioned in this episode. This week's episode is brought to you by the Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront portal. Curated from the vast Walmart.com network of retailers, here you can find handy links to hundreds of railroad and model railroad items. Follow the link in the video description or use your smartphone and snap a photo of this QR code to visit the store. And of course, our channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And now to the new items. Atlas O is pleased to announce the production of the premier O Milwaukee Road EMD E8 diesel locomotive for Atlas authorized retailer Mr. Muffin's Trains. The diesels are expected to arrive in mid-2024, and the early order price is $539.96 each. Atlas O has announced the upcoming release of the premier O Sanding Tower in special Long Island or MTA colors for Train World of Brooklyn, New York. The towers will be available in very limited quantities beginning this fall. Early order price is $69.99 each. Lionel Trains will be producing a unique SD70 Ace diesel commemorating the famous B-17, the Memphis Belle, exclusively for Legacy Station. The model is expected to arrive in mid-2024. The early order price is $699.99. Backed by popular demand, Lionel Trains will be producing a second run of its U.S. Space Force SD70 locomotive exclusively for Legacy Station. The model is expected to arrive in mid-2024, and the early order price is $699.99. A matching bay window caboose is also available for $149.98. Menards has announced new 2-bay ACFX Centerflow covered hoppers in both clean and pre-weathered versions. Each car is individually numbered and features Menards' new die-cast swing-type couplers. The cars are now available online or in stores for $34.99 each, or in 4-packs for $114.99 before rebates. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing 2024 O-Scale Premier Coke Hopper cars in Norfolk Southern, Union Pacific, CSX Coke Express, Conrail, and GATX road names late next spring. Each of these offerings will be available as individual cars for $79.95 each, and in 4-car sets for $299.95 each in prototypical car numbers. The production run will be limited in quantities and is expected to begin shipping to MTH dealers in June 2024. Pre-order now from your local MTH authorized retailer. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued premier O-Scale New York Central 464 Empire State Express locomotive with a never-before-offered long-haul PT tender for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2024. The early order price is $1259.95. MTH Trains has announced an exclusive premier O-Scale Dreyfuss Hudson steam locomotive in unique Baltimore and Ohio colors for Patrick's Trains. The locomotive will be available in very limited quantities with an anticipated arrival date of April 2024. The early order price is $1349.95 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains is producing an uncatalogued premier O-Scale 36-foot wood-sided reefer in special Louis Bergdahl Brewing Company colors for Rockledge, Pennsylvania's Danish Bakers. The reefer is available in 2 car numbers and will be limited in production and is expected to arrive in May 2024. The pre-order price is $75 plus freight. MTH has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued premier O-Scale bi-level passenger set in Rock Island colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The cars will be packaged in 2-car and 4-car consists and sold as a complete 6-car set by Mr. Muffin's Trains. They will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2024. The early order price is $778.65 for the 6-car set. Now arriving at authorized ready-made trains dealers are new RMT 8,000-gallon tank cars. The cars are available in more than 24 road names and feature all-metal trucks and couplers and detailed brake line and underbody details. The retail list price of the cars is $29.95 each. Check the link in the video description for road names and your nearest RMT dealer. And don't forget to visit our new Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links, so you can find the item you want and support our channel at the same time. And remember to check out our latest long-format video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Oh, and if you like these weekly product updates, be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so you never miss an episode. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.